Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Assalamu alaikum, and good evening, friends. As you know, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It's humble request: stay home, save lives, and follow lockdown rules. Introduction. My name is Navdeep Kaur. I am working as an assistant professor in CSC department. My hobbies are playing cricket, dancing, writing. One line always motivates me: life is a movie. You are the director of your life. Don't live your life as other people expect. And my channel name is Powerful Weapon. Okay, let's start topic: difference between while and until loop. In previous video I have covered looping statements in shell programming. Okay, as we already know, shell is an interface through which user can use operating system, and shell programming is a sequence of commands which can be executed by shell and at any time. And you can see three types of looping statements in shell programming: for, while, and until. You can see the syntax of for loop. For variable in 1 2 3 4 5 do command. Command means you can print any value of this variable, and done. So it's the syntax of for loop. Like if I want to print a variable value from 1 to 5, so I can use for variable in 1 2 3 4 5 do echo dollar variable name. So in this way I can print number from 1 to 5. Now syntax of while loop. While command do statement done. If this command is, or you can say expression, is true, then it will print statement. If this command or expression is false, it will not print this statement. You can see the loop terminates when the condition or command becomes false. Now syntax of until loop. Until condition do statement done. The loop in case of until loop terminates when the condition or command becomes true. The main difference between while loop and until loop is, in while loop a loop terminates when the condition becomes false. In until loop terminates when condition becomes true. You can see this small program. In this case variable a is 1. Now we will check this condition. If a is less than equals to 10, then it will print value of a. In next step there is increment in the value of a. Suppose first time this value is a, now in second time this value of a is 2. Now 2 is less than 10, it means this condition is true, it will again print 2, and in this way it will print numbers from 1 to 10, and LT is an operator less than. Now let's do this program in Bash online editor, and it's free of cost. Okay. Okay, let's do while. Now run. You can see this output from 1 to 9. Okay. Now if we do same program using until, now run, there is no output because if this condition is true, it will not print anything, but if this condition is false, it will print. So let's make this condition false. The value of a is 20, and 20 is less than equals to 10. Now this condition is false. Now until will print values. Now run again. You can see output. Now first time value of let's stop this program and 0. Now again run this program. Okay, just wait. Stop this. A is 10 and 20. 20 and 10. Now again run this program. GT is greater than. You can see this output numbers from 10 to 20 because first time value of 10, A is 10. Now 10 is greater than 20 means this condition is false. Now it will print value of A. Now in second step there is increment in value of A. In second step the value of A is 20. Now again we will check this condition. So in this way you can print numbers from 10 to 20 by making this until expression false. So today we have covered difference between while and until loop. In while loop, the loop terminates when the condition or command becomes false. In until loop, the loop terminates when the condition or command becomes true. So be passionate, be creative. Let's make Technical India. Thank you so much for watching this video.